Ready for some stew? Think of this dish as a callaloo with coconut milk. It's got all of the good stuff: okra, pork, shrimp, and lobster. We start by boiling the pork. I'm using a smoked ham hock until it's tender. Chop it into bite-sized pieces after it's cool. Strain the broth from the pork to get rid of the bits. Now add the vegetables: garlic, onion, spinach, and the okra. I just trimmed the stem end of the okra and I left the pod whole. This does two things. First, it was probably the most beautiful okra I'd ever seen, and I didn't want to cut it up. Also, this reduces the slime if people don't like that. When the okra is cooked through, you can remove it from the broth so it doesn't get mushy. You want firm okra when you serve. Cook okra like you do asparagus. The seafood is boiled separately for about 5 minutes until done. You don't want overcooked seafood. We add the seafood and coconut milk to the mix and heat until steaming, but never let it boil so the coconut milk doesn't curdle. Don't even let it get close to a boil. And now let's plate. Put a bit of pork, shrimp, and okra, and a few pieces of lobster. This stew is killer. It's creamy and luscious, just like the wines we're having with it.